All right, we got my camera bag. We got 1, 2, 3 suitcases, and we are ready to go. Okay, so what are we doing tomorrow?
Eating breakfast.
Yeah.
Going to Dallas.
Yeah. How are we gonna get there?
Flying on an airplane.
Flying on an airplane. Have you ever been on an airplane before? Are you excited to fly on an airplane in the sky at hundreds of miles an hour? All right. All right, well, good morning and welcome back. We just had breakfast. Country Inn and Suites, pretty good. Slept okay. Madison was bouncing back between, so there's 2 queen beds, so I was in one and Katie was the other, and Madison was bouncing back between who she wanted to sleep with, so we were up most of the night, but that's all right. So now we're heading to the airport for Madison's first plane ride. Are you excited for your first plane ride? You're doing great. Go, go, go.
Look at that water. Whoa.
Did you see the airplane?
Yeah.
Are you excited to go on your first airplane ride?
Yeah. Which one's our airplane?
It's not here yet.
Where? It's not here?
Nope. Well, friends, we did finally make it here to Dallas, Texas. Madison's first flight was awesome. The crew was great, and they let her sit in the captain's seat. That was really cool. The captain's seat, the pilot's seat, the captain pilot chairman, sir, the steerer of the boat in the highway in the sky. But yeah, so that was really awesome. She had a great time. She did great. No fussing, no messing about. Tomorrow is medieval times for our anniversary. Tonight we didn't have any plans, so Katie surprised me with a trip out to Meow Wolf in Grapevine. There was a Meow Wolf that we wanted to check out while we were in New Mexico, but we never quite made it to Santa Fe with the time constraints that we were under. So I was kind of bummed that we didn't get to go to Meow Wolf in Santa Fe, because that was the first time I'd ever heard of it. Well, however, they have one here in Grapevine, about 20 minutes, half hour from here. So we are going to go check that out, and we are going to take you guys along. I have heard some really interesting things about Meow Wolf. It is a interesting museum / art experience type thing. I think it's very dark, so I think I'm going to bring this camera because with this fast of a lens, I can let in a lot of light, and this camera does really well in low light with its full frame sensor, so you're not going to get much other footage other than this one. So really excited about that. Definitely can't wait to go check it out, and we'll probably do dinner at some point. Today so far has been a great day of travel and new experiences. Seeing Madison sitting in that pilot's seat was pretty awesome. I don't think I've ever sat in a pilot seat. Have you ever sat in the pilot seat of a 787-300 or whatever it was? I don't know. Pretty cool stuff. Okay. Meow Wolf. Let's go check it out.
Texas to Illinois. See ya, see ya.
Daddy!
What is this? Yeah, I'm like checking it inside. Stranger Things.
That's a Demogorgon if I've ever seen one.
All right, come on. What are they? I found it. Things.
We've had little to no direction other than learning that there is a little boy who needs to be home before bedtime. That's all we know.
Downstairs to upstairs, using the elevator. Hey. I can't see anything. Oh my goodness, it's all stars. It's so cool, Bubba. Keep going. Keep going. Follow the stars. Whoa. I can't pimp my airship. I want to read. Okay. Okay, bud.
Oh!
This is neat.
Stairs on the solidified river.
It's just like we're walking on water.
Hello, sailor.
This is my personal library I have underneath Baba Yaga's tree. All the books in there can be read if you like. And these are the mushrooms.
Wow.
Try slapping one. Slap it. Oh!
Oh
Sometimes they get impatient and play themselves.
Sounds like a handpan.
They all go somewhere? We'll
Think
never
they
know.
do.
Wow. Hold on, Madison. Wait. Okay, we're good? Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Hell yeah. missing? Oh, we're about to go.
Can we go through here? How do we do this?
Oh, check it out.
Whoa!
And now we're back outside.
Wow. She's getting close. She's getting close.
Whoa.
Hold on.
Well, we have made it back to the hotel. We went to Meow Wolf, which we didn't realize was in a mall, but that was pretty neat. It was a very immersive experience. I think you could get lost in there for quite a long time. There's a storyline about a little boy that goes missing. It's hard to follow unless you're like really looking for it. There's kind of a theme weaved throughout there, but I think it gets lost in the ooh-ah-ness of all the different things. Open every door you can. If you're gonna go, I would highly suggest opening every door that you can. Any door that says emergency exit, do not open, don't. And any door that says like employees only or staff only, or if it has like a key or a pin pad next to it, you can't open those doors. But there were many hidden doors that we were able to open that were really fun, would take you into different places. So a really fun experience. I think Madison really liked it. I really liked it. Katie really liked it. We are winding down for the evening. We did not sleep very much last night, so I think we're gonna call it an early night. Tomorrow we don't have any real plans until going to Medieval Times later in the afternoon / evening for our anniversary, 5 years. Happy anniversary, babe.
Happy anniversary, Daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Rob.
One of the you're welcome, Rob. I am super thankful for everyone that has subscribed, and I would encourage you, if you're not, please do. It doesn't cost you anything other than pushing a button, and that button really helps this channel out. It tells YouTube that you like this content, and it'll ultimately help you out as well. If you engage with our content, and it's content that you enjoy watching, travel, just family fun, clean vlogs, if you like it and you engage with it, you know, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, YouTube goes, oh, well, you like this? Well, here's another traveling family that you may like. And so subscribing to us or engaging with us will also help us and help you, help me, help you by subscribing to the channel. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning for another day in very hot, it is 102 degrees outside, Dallas. All right.